Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have 2019 GMC Terrain and I will show you how to remove and replace the front wiper blades. Now, most likely this video should apply to second generation of GMC Terrains made from 2018 all the way up to 2024, but based on my car parts supplier it might only apply to 2018 to 2020, because I'm not sure if they changed the type of wiper arm on these vehicles in 2021, but I'm pretty sure they didn't. So yeah, just sharing that information. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. Okay, so I will actually show you how to replace the front driver's side wiper blade. Now you will need 24-inch wiper blade or 609 millimeters. Now what I have to add here, based on which brand of wiper blades you get, the adapter that goes onto the wiper blade might be a bit different. So there is a bunch of different adapters, and that can be sometimes confusing, but I will explain you everything now here. Now this small manual came with the wiper blade. Now what you have to know, these vehicles have J hooks, so this is the type of wiper arm your vehicle has, and that's why I mentioned in the beginning of this video, I'm not sure if they changed this in 2021, but 2019 has these small J hooks, and all you have to do, you have to figure out which type of adapter you have to use on top of your new wiper blade to be able to install it. And here you can see how this one looks. And then what I will do first, the wiper blade came with this adapter, and this is the one I actually need. It's number A. Okay, so based on this manual, all I have to do is just open this wiper blade like this all the way, and then attach the J hook under here, and then just close this cover down to lock it in place. So I don't need this adapter. This adapter might be for different type of wiper arm, because these wipers usually fit different kinds and models of types and models of vehicles. Okay, so this is the important thing. If you get a different brand, what you might have to do, you might have to remove the adapter that's on it and replace it with a different adapter that came with the wiper blade. But that's why I said every wiper blade should come with like a small manual like this. You just have to figure out which adapter you need on. Okay, now I will show you how to remove the old wiper blade and how to install the new one. Okay, so first I will try to show you how to remove the old wiper blade. There's like a small black tab here. You want to press it all the way up and then just pull this wiper blade down, just like this. Very easy. This is the J hook I mentioned, right? So that's how it looks, and I will show you why I'm replacing this wiper blade. It's been completely destroyed, so yeah. Now to install the new one, like I said, this cover is down, and I will just attach this J hook. I'll actually hook it to the new wiper blade and push it on. Okay, just like that, and then I will close this cover down, and this should lock it. And that's it, as easy as that. Also, don't forget to remove this protector. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews, and other similar automotive topics.